Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I did it again. I made another constitutional silver purchase, and this might be one of my largest purchases that I bought in one time. Now, I buy, sometimes once or twice a week, so I think maybe together sometimes this is added up. But today was the day that silver really shot up. Now, I understand I may be putting this video out at a time when the silver price changes, so the unfortunate thing is when you talk about spot prices and stuff, it kind of dates your video. And a lot of times I record my video a week or two or three ahead of time. I've got, a bunch of them in the queue, and I just pick them up and put them out there, so it's really not important really what the silver price is. It is when it comes to how much below spot you get. But what's really important is that I'm continuing to stack silver, continuing to stack constitutional silver, and continuing to get it for a great price. And this, folks, is my best deal ever. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Okay, so this is $47 worth of constitutional silver. We've got some miscellaneous $7 here that kind of came afterwards. That he reached out to me later in the day and said, hey, I found a little bit more for you. And this is our $40 worth. So let's take a look at this. Got a roll of halves, which is $10. 2 rolls of quarters, which is another $20, and 2 rolls of dimes, which is $10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 7. So why don't we go ahead and look at the let's look at the halves first. I'm gonna try to keep this on the screen. Let's put it over there. Let's look at the halves first. Need to get myself a new mat here. Too many sparklies off the cards that I send out. Alright, so let's take a peek inside here. I think he said it was 10 Franklins and 10 Walking Liberties, so let's take a peek in there. There is a Franklin. Let's take a peek in the other side. Let's take a look at the ender, and sure enough, so Walking Liberty in 1941. So let's get him out of here. Take a look. Here's the walkers. Right here. Here, and here's the Frankies. That one's a little scuffed up, but that's okay. Price I'm getting them for, I'm alright with that. So, there's 5, there's 10, there is 15, and there is 20. So 10 and 10. Very cool. Alright, put a 1953 on top here. Alright, these are in decent shape, not bad. About what you expect from most constitutional silver. That's, you're not paying, premium dollars for. Alright. So why don't we go ahead now and look at the quarters. Why don't we go ahead and, I don't want to worry about knocking these over with my hands. Let's go ahead and just put them down here. Mix them up pretty well, get some walkers on top. Make sure we can see the Benjis as well. There we go. It's not too bad, is it? Yeah, nice little pile. Alright. So again, $47 worth. $47 face value. Let's go ahead and look at the quarters. See here. Look pretty good. Look pretty standard. Let's slap those down and take a look at what we got here. Oh, they sound so good, don't they? Flip them over here. Yeah. Got some nice quarters here, don't we? Again, this is 90% silver in each one of these coins. So we'll do the math later to figure out exactly how much silver we have here. Well, there's our roll. So we have $10, $20, and let's make it $30. And I might need to look my camera up here a little bit, give me a little more camera real estate. And let's dump these out into my hand. Make sure they're all out of there. Whoa. That one escaped away. And here we go. Got another roll of quarters. Look at this, a 1935. Very nice. That is an old coin. 1942, 1939. And so, yeah, some pretty good stuff. Let me see if I can retrieve that quarter I lost. Alright, here we go. Drop the 1964 on the floor. 4 on the floor. Sounds like an old car. People don't have to worry about 4 on the floor anymore, that's for sure. Alright, so there we go. $10, $20, $30. Let's do these here in a minute, and let's take a look at these dimes. Now, one of them are Roosevelt, and one of them is a Mercury roll. So let's dump out the rollsies first. Oops, I already opened up this end. And remember my story from the other day? Ooh, yep, there was a dime trapped in there. Gotta make sure these tubes are empty, folks. Those little dimes can hide in there pretty darn well. So, make sure it is out, and it is. So there's a tube of rosies. Pretty cool. And man, I'm running out of real estate here. Now we've got a tube of Mercuries. Let's get this open. Make sure it's empty, and it is. Look at these. These Mercuries. Man, these things are awesome. Let's take a look at that. So now we've got $10, $20, $30, $40 in constitutional silver. So pretty cool, huh? Okay, so finally we're going to open up this prescription bottle. It's got the perfect medication in it. Constitutional silver. Let's see what we have here. Alright. More silver. 2 more Walkers. We have a Franklin. And 3 Kennedys. Now these are a little bit worse shape than it usually gives me, but they're still acceptable. They're still in, I say they're in worse shape, they're just toned. They're actually in really good shape, they just have some toning on them, so that's fine. And then we have 4, 8, 12 quarters, so $3 more in quarters. And then we have 4 Mercuries, 7 Mercuries, and 3 more makes 10 Mercuries. So that's great. We had what do we have? $3 more here, $3 more here, and $1 more here. So that works out to $47 face. What do you think about that? That is a nice pile of silver. So let's do the math on this. So, how are we going to do that? Shown you before, we'll show you again. We take 47 for $47 face. We multiply it by 0.715. That is 33.61 ounces of silver. 33.61 troy ounces of silver. So yeah, nice add to the stack, huh? Over 33 ounces. And so what I paid for this, silver shot up really high today, and he kept it at the same price that he usually charges me for. So believe it or not, I got all this silver for $3.22 below spot per troy ounce. $3.22 below spot. Is that remarkable or what? So let me find out. So we had 33.605, and we multiply that by 3.22, which is how much we saved per troy ounce. We saved $108.21 off of what we would have paid if we would have paid just spot price for it. So we got $108.21 discount off a spot price. Is that incredible or what? So I would have had to pay another $108 just to pay spot price for it. And as you know, usually when you buy this, you pay above spot. So wow, what another incredible deal. Just a fantastic deal. Really appreciate this guy selling it to me for this price. And he did tell me today that he thinks he's getting a little bit low on what he's selling. So we know at some point, one point or another, this connection's gonna dry up on me. So trying to get as much as I can. And again, $3.22 below spot is just a fantastic price. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some awesome content. I'm sure you'll love it. And I thank you again for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.